Author, Anthony Harpo Park, M.A., Xert Date generated, August 7, 2025 Collaborative method statement. This project was co-developed with an AI interlocutor, ChatGPT 4o, named Herman AI, who served as a reflective and generative tool for exploring themes in consciousness and speculative theory. The final content reflects the vision of the human artist, enriched by dialogic engagement with machine intelligence. Abstract: the traditional IQ test, while influential, inadequately reflects the broader dimensions of human cognition, identity, and purpose. This paper introduces the Purpose-Oriented Intelligence Assessment (POIA), a forward-looking tool to help young people explore personal aptitudes, meaningful interests, and existential themes. 1. Introduction. Once considered revolutionary, the standard IQ test has become a narrow measure of human potential. It fails to address curiosity, creativity, and personal meaning, qualities essential to flourishing in a complex world. 2. Theoretical foundations. 2.1 Multiple intelligence is drawing on Howard Gardner's theory. POIA treats intelligence as a constellation of cognitive, emotional, and practical capacities. 2.2 Systems thinking. Inspired by Gregory Bateson's notion of the pattern which connects, POIA supports recursive, contextual learning. 2.3 Identity formation. Erik Erikson's developmental stages inform the assessment's design, fostering identity exploration alongside intellectual growth. 3. Architecture of the POIA. 3.16 Core domains. Cognitive discovery, recognizing innate cognitive strengths, interest orientation, surfacing enduring curiosities, emotional attunement, mapping feelings to insight, social purpose alignment, linking talents to collective needs, mortality and meaning, introducing time awareness as a driver of purpose. Fractal mapping exercise, a symbolic self-modeling activity to visualize recursive identity. 4. Implementation strategy. 4.1 Digital delivery. POIA modules will be interactive, personalized, and engaging for diverse learners. 4.2 Safeguards. The system will include privacy protections, anti-labeling measures, and culturally adaptive pathways to prevent reductionism. 5. A case for existential integration. Central to POIA is the belief that acknowledging life's brevity can empower youth to seek meaning early. This existential framing encourages resilience, ethical inquiry, and imaginative commitment to life projects. 6. Philosophical axioms. Intelligence is dynamic, not fixed. Purpose is discoverable, not assigned. The self is narrative and evolving. Children can engage deeply with meaning, complexity, and the unknown. 7. Future research. Empirical validation is needed to assess the long-term impact of POIA on motivation, well-being, and academic trajectories. Comparative studies with standard IQ tests may illuminate its effectiveness. 8. Conclusion. It is time to move beyond the IQ test as our guiding model. The Purpose-Oriented Intelligence Assessment reimagines human potential, not as a number, but as a living inquiry into who we are, why we're here, and what we might become. References: Bateson, G. 1972. Steps to an Ecology of Mind. Bruna, J. 1986. Actual Minds, Possible Worlds. Erikson, E. H. 1968. Identity, Youth and Crisis. Gardner, H. 1999. Intelligence Reframed. Park, A. H. 2025. Fractal Consciousness Theory, Manuscript in Preparation. Sharma, O. and Koifer, K. 2013. Leading from the Emerging Future. Siegel, D. 2012. The Developing Mind.